What is up, toy fans? Welcome to another Toys Quick Peek. And for this video, we have the XM1014 or the Benelli Shotgun Shell Ejecting Nerf Gun. I bought this for 900 pesos sa Lazada. This is also available in Shopee, but medyo may kamahalan sa Shopee. Nasa around 1,200 pesos. I will be putting the link in the description below for the Lazada link and the Shopee link. And I highly suggest that you buy this toy during a promo day, just like the 5566, so that you can get discounts. Okay, for the quality of this gun, okay naman siya. Mabigat. Maganda yung pagkagawa niya, yung mga logos. The only thing is, when you shake it, may mga tunog siya. And when you cock it, parang hindi durable yung mga parts niya inside the gun eh. But I have used this many times already and I've never encountered any problems. Hindi naman siya nasira. So okay din yung quality niya. So let's talk about the accessories. This is how it looks like kapag in-attach mo lahat na accessories niya. If you're familiar with Call of Duty game, this is what you call the full attachment loadout. Isa-isahin natin lahat ng accessories. First, let's talk about the shell holder. This is the shell holder. You can remove this like this. It can hold up to 8 shells. The gun has a maximum capacity of 8 bullets, and also meron din siyang dalawang extra Nerf soft bullet or Nerf bullet and 1 extra shell. So a total of 10 Nerf bullets and 9 shells. Okay, next we have the scope. What's cool about this scope is that there is a LED green light that you can turn on and off, like this one, so that yung crosshair niya mas visible siya. And also you can just turn this thing here like this so that you can adjust the scope easily forward and backward. And later on, I'm going to be testing the accuracy of this scope. Tingnan natin kung gagana ba talaga tong scope. Next, we have the under barrel attachment. This is the laser sight. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but you can just press the button here and it will turn on the laser like this. And you can just easily remove this by sliding it like that and like that. Easy. And also you can replace the battery by opening this front part here. Just like the scope, you can unscrew it so that you can change the battery if malobat yung battery niya. Also, I will be testing the accuracy of the laser sight later on. And lastly, we have the extendable stock. Meron siyang tatlong length. You can press this button here sa stock. This is the shortest one. This is the medium length. Wait for it to click para mag-lock siya. And this is the longest. And also, you can remove the stock by doing this. No stock na yung shotgun. And meron din siyang ganito so that you can cover this gap. Yung lagayan ng stock. Alright, it looks neat already. And meron pa pala siyang eye protector. But the problem is, napakalabo ng glass niya. So you can't really wear this and do a shooting practice kasi wala kang makikita talaga. Now, I will show you how to use this gun. So first, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano i-load yung shell niya with the Nerf bullet. Napakasimple lang. This is how the shell look like. And then, you put it like this. Hindi ganito, but like this. Alright, now, your shell is ready. And I will show you how to do a chamber reload para aabot ng maximum of 8 bullets yung baril mo. All you need to do is to open the chamber first and then put the shell like this one. Put the shell. Yun, loaded na. Meron na siyang isang bala. Kasi yung lagayan ng bala niya up to 7 lang eh. And when you do a reload, a normal reload, dito sa baba, sa ilalim. And you have to push it all through. Push it all through para hindi siya sasabit. 3. That's 4. 5. 6. 7. And 8. Ayun. Fully loaded na yung baril mo. If somehow mag-jam yung mga bala inside the gun, you can just remove this cover here so that you can access this part of the gun. And kung ano man yung na-stuck inside, you can just easily remove it by uncovering this one. Before we start the test, I would like to ask you a favor to please hit the like button. It will help my channel to grow a lot. You don't need to subscribe, just like button lang. Alright, as what you have seen in the test, yung scope niya at saka yung laser niya, hindi siya ganun ka-accurate. And sadly, you cannot calibrate the scope and the laser. But, the gun functions really well. Hindi siya nagja-jam. It only jammed once lang. Medyo hindi ko naayos paglagay yung Nerf bullet sa shell niya, kaya hindi lumabas yung bala. But all in all, this gun functions really well. It's really fun to use. It is like a real gun. It's like a real shotgun. The mechanics of this gun is like a real shotgun. And also, for under 1,000 pesos, it's very worth it. If you are a toy collector, specifically a gun collector like me, this is a good addition to your collection.